Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Bath Lab, where I share my passion for DIY bath and body projects. Today I'm showing you how to make this adorable and very moisturizing avocado bath bomb. The bath bomb recipe was amazing, as you can see from all the bubbles. And the avocado seed is actually a foaming and moisturizing bath melt. This is optional, but I took a half a cup of mix and darkened it for the avocado skin, and then I added ingredients to each to make the big batch a bit more bubbly and the skin a bit more foamy. This mold is listed as an egg mold, but it also makes a great avocado. I'm going to link a 10% off discount code. You can make half or whole avocados, hollow or filled. You can use a mold or a scooper. Quick tip, make sure the bath melt fits in the avocado. Apply a thin layer of coating. Thick coatings take a longer time to melt in the tub. You can always use a heat gun if it comes out too thick. Quick tip, the texture of the melt will show through, and temperature variations can lead to different types of coating. These bath bombs came out great. I think they're so adorable and unique. It's a nourishing bath bomb with a moisturizing bath melt in the middle. The bath bombs were vivacious, lots of bubbles, foam, and fizz. Avocados are wonderful for skin, and I actually wanted to add fresh avocados to the bath bomb recipe, but I wasn't sure of the shelf life or if it'd make the bath bomb go bad. Also, ever since this project, I've been craving fresh avocados like crazy. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration. Don't forget to check out the description for the recipe, helpful tips, and the supply list at the bottom.